Hello, Mario! This is the fifth video in the series about the scheme layout, and we'll continue from where we left off last time, where we were just starting to work with the cul-de-sac here. And oh, I've actually gone ahead and done it, but I better just back the truck up a little bit and show you how I did that. So let's just go back a bit here. So I think that's where I left you when we were here last. And this here is the cul-de-sac. That's the circle at the centre of the cul-de-sac. Let's get our properties up here. Circle at the centre of the cul-de-sac with the radius of 14.5 metres. Now I'm going to put a 10 metre little fillet or chamfer fillet in there on these corners here. So they're going to be 10 metres off the boundary. So first of all, offset 10, enter, and the circle or the centre of the circle will be somewhere along those lines. Now the thing is that the circle from the centre will be where it meets tangent will be 14.5 metres from here for this one, which is what we've got, plus 10 metres, which will be 24.5. So we can go go C here and put a circle in there, 24.5, and where that hits that line, that will be the centre of curvature. So then we can draw a line in here from there through to there, through to there, through to there. It should join back up in there. Okay, so that's all good there. Now there's some lines here that we can get rid of because we don't need them anymore. We can take that one out, we can take that one out, we can take that one out. So let's delete those. Now let's do a little bit of trimming. So we'll do TR here, and we'll trim to these lines here. So we're selecting those lines. I'll finish selecting, so I'm going to hit the space bar and I'm just going to trim out that. I don't need that anymore. I won't need that, and I won't need that, and I can delete those there. Delete. Okay, and then I can draw a circle in here, 10 metres. Okay, I could have perhaps drawn that earlier. Circle in here, 10 metres. Okay, and we can do a bit more trimming. TR, enter, we'll trim, oh no, that's not, we want to just do a TR, not the double hit, and we'll select that one, and that one, and we'll just trim that out of there. All good. Okay, and we'll trim that out of there, and then these here can go to the road geometry layer. Oops, our ribbons disappeared. There it is there. Okay, oh, I've lost those now. To the road geometry layer. To you, off you go. I can do it there. I didn't need the ribbon after all. Road geometry layer. Okay. Yes, it's all good. Alrighty, so there's our little cul-de-sac drawn. All our road centre lines are in. The next thing we can do now is to do our do these corners here. I'll just do them as curves, and then perhaps we can do some right lining before we start looking at the thing. So let's just go offset, enter, 10. So I'm going to do nice big sweeping curves, 10, 10, 10, 10, there and there, and Oh, that one's probably done for me. There, there, there and there. So let's put some circles in, 10 meters. Okay, let's just copy that circle, CP, enter, put it in there, one there. These are our intersection ones, like so. Okay, so now let's do some trimming, TR, enter. So we can trim to that one, trim to that one, that one. Might as well get all our trimming done. That one, that one, and that one. Finish my trimming. Yeah, that can come out of there. Oops, I'll have to come back for that. Yeah, take that out of there. Yep, yep, yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Probably should actually trim these here as well, because these are all part of the road geometry, that we could put them in the road geometry layer. That's all good. Oh, probably could trim that out of there actually. Yep. Okay, and then that could come out of there. Oh, and then of TR into enter, probably should be trimming, oops, TR into enter, should be trimming, no, it's not happening, is it? TR enter, trimming these, got a bit ahead of myself there, like that there, that there, that there, that there, and get rid of these. So I've gone for a nice big 10 meter thing. It just makes it easier to remember, makes our calculations a bit easier for this exercise. Okay, and then these here can go to the road geometry layer for later use. Okay, so put them into the road geometry layer. Close. Yeah, and they're all done. Now it remains to sort of maybe right line some of these circles as their boundaries, and just put them in there. So that's going to take a little bit of work. So I think I might just end this video here and just devote a whole new video to the right lining of the boundaries and getting all the road boundaries sorted before we then start dividing our land up into the various lots that we sort of anticipated with our basic pen and paper design some while ago. So that'll give us our various sections, and we can start picking off our lot, and that's going to give us our layout. Once we've got the layout, then we can start looking at doing our design for the surface, and then we can sort of get everything layered and what have you, get our surface all organised, and then be ready for our next little exercise, which is doing some earthworks, or loading our layout, getting our layout loaded into our modelling software from here. Cheers! See you!